Welcome to the Daily Inspirational Motivation Channel, where we bring you life-changing truths for a better tomorrow. If you're here, it means you care about building a future filled with love, healing, and hope. So take a deep breath and listen closely, because what we're about to share can change not only your child's life, but your own. Do you know that a single sentence from a parent can stay in a child's heart forever? Words are powerful. They can either build your child's confidence or leave scars they carry into adulthood. So many adults today are battling emotional trauma, depression, and self-doubt, not because of the world outside, but because of the words they heard inside their own homes as children. That's why it's time to reflect on the things we say and unlearn habits that might be hurting the people we love most. Never tell a child, "You're useless." These words feel like a knife to their little heart. The moment they hear this, they stop believing in their own worth. They start thinking they can never be enough. Instead of crushing their spirit, pause and say, "I know you can do better. Let's figure this out together." It changes everything. Avoid saying, "Why can't you be like your brother or sister?" Comparison doesn't motivate. It creates jealousy, insecurity, and lifelong emotional wounds. Your child is unique. Every child has their own journey. Tell them, "I'm proud of who you are. Let's discover your strengths." That single sentence can grow their self-esteem and trust in you. Never tell your child to stop crying or call them dramatic. When you do this, you teach them to bottle up emotions and believe that feelings are wrong. But emotions are natural. They're human. Instead, open your arms and say, "It's okay to cry. Let's talk about what's hurting you." This simple shift creates emotional safety and teaches them how to process pain in healthy ways. Please never say, "You'll never succeed at this." Those words stay in the mind and grow into fear of failure. You might say it in anger, but your child hears it as truth. Replace it with, "Mistakes are part of learning. I'll support you until you make it." That creates resilience instead of fear. And the most toxic of all, never say, "I wish you were never born." Even if it slips out in frustration, it can shatter your child's heart into pieces you may never be able to put back together. Always remind them, no matter what, you are loved. You are wanted. You are my gift. Your words today will echo in your child's mind for years. They will become the voice your child hears when they grow up and face the world. So ask yourself, do you want your voice to build their courage or their pain? Healing starts with you. Choose words that heal, not words that scar. If this touched your heart, give this video a thumbs up and share it with every parent and caregiver you know. Let's break the cycle of toxic parenting and raise a generation filled with love and confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to the Daily Inspirational Motivation Channel for more wisdom and life-changing truths every single day. This is where healing begins. This is where change begins. And this is where your child's brighter future begins with your words.